Hello everyone, today our recipe is peanut chickis. For that, add 1 cup of peanuts and heat it until it turns the brown color. Add 1 cup of jaggery and 1 cup of water. Stir it until it dissolves. This is the main process of making peanut chicky.
చాయ్లాగా కదా చెప్పండి మాట్లాడతాడా వచ్చిందా
Take some water at boil
ఫోటోకి
and taste how the mixture it will be. Like this. If the mixture comes like this, it's not prepared well. The mixture comes like thick like candy, then the mixture is ready and add peanuts and stir it. Then apply on the plate. Spread like this. The peanut chikki is ready. And cut the pieces like this of when chickis are cooked. How many members knows the chickis? Comment in comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. There are n number of benefits are there in peanut chickis. Read in description whatever benefits are there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.